sunrise, the start of all my day. Seeing you smile helps me through the great day.
Welcome to the most productive vlog of how I manage my college, Japanese, along with household and YouTube. With a positive and healthy mindset, you can achieve anything. So work on your mindset and inner self positivity.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
Like an astronaut on a mission, I wanna take you higher. Let's fly till we see the northern lights. Oh, this could be yours tonight. Fill the empty space in your broken heart tonight. Tonight, tonight.
Hare Krishna dosto, good morning. Actually, it's been a week. Because of my eye infection, I couldn't attend my college. I had to take like rest for 4 to 5 days and now it's well because of God's grace and taking the medicine. I am really glad कि फिर से surgery नहीं हुई क्योंकि last time when I got the eye infection, just to make the money, the doctor did surgery. Yeah, that was a minor surgery but it was really painful because they applied 2 injections. Let's get ready. It's already quite late. So guys, अभी मैं ready हो गई हूँ and I'm about to leave for my college.
I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long.
हमारे बहुत सारे क्लासेस होंगे अभी और इसलिए मैं लंच खाऊंगी अभी.
टमाटर बड़े मजेदार, वाह टमाटर.
न जाने उलझनों के पीछे क्या है बहाना.
आप प्रकृति हो? हाँ.
Because we are into this materialistic world and we think this is the actual reality. We don't go to the spiritual extent. It's not like कि तुरंत आपको बहुत काम कर देगा. It's not like that. You have to do it consistently every day. And then what you will see is the chakras. What are chakras? Chakras are the
Well, chakras are the energy points. These are the main focus points and through meditation you can change your entire life, gain the confidence and energy. और अभी हम घर जा रहे हैं. आज पूरे दिन बैक टू बैक क्लासेस थी. पता नहीं क्या था. From 9 AM it's been like 4 PM. लगता था कॉलेज आके काफी अच्छा रहेगा. But it's so different. School life and college life is different, but still. हाँ भाई. मिस करोगे एक्सेंट? कौन सा? झारखंड वाला? गाइज वी आर लेट।
17 पे पहुंच रहे हैं और हम लेट भी होके भी हम जूस पी रहे थे, बताओ।
हाँ, क्योंकि ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया था हमने।
अब सर देखो घुसने देंगे या नहीं।
Finally guys, our teacher allowed us, like the professor allowed us for the class, even though we were quite late, but he was nice, so he allowed us. And yes, DU allowed even the visually impaired people and people with disability to take part as teacher, professor. Isn't that amazing? After my GE, I attended my EVS and for that we had to go out. EVS का assignment करने के लिए हम आए हैं। ऐसा लग रहा है एडवेंचर हो रहा है।
रिकॉर्ड करते हुए घायल
We actually came here to search different kind of varieties of plants that we were allotted for the project. Truly a real adventure. ये वाला हमारा है, शिखा ने बताया, पक्का ही है
भाई, कीड़े हैं इस पे।
शिखा, this is like the bag which our college is providing, the bag, JDMC bag. ये फर्स्ट ईयर को देने के लिए ये सारे डिपार्टमेंट, हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स, न्यू बुक, इंग्लिश, कॉमर्स एंड हिंदी।
हेलो हेलो हेलो।
This cute dog resides in our college campus and it's so nice to always see him. And after that we just went out to have our lunch. So we went to nearby Temple Street. I'm sure that you guys will like it too because the food here is definitely the best. It was the next day and in this you will see what I eat in a whole day. It's like the whole home cooked meal. By the way guys, that day it was like kind of junk food because I ate bread. It's not that healthy to be honest. But yes, I made this delicious sandwich. It's very easy to make and I just add lettuce. When I think what I should eat, I just simply make sandwich and it's the easiest thing. By the way guys, you will see further my recipes too. I have learned cooking these days and I'm really enjoying it. So yes, it was a really nice meal. That was my sandwich and I went back to my room. I first pray and thank you for the meal and after that I have the meal.
私もおばあちゃんのこと心配なの。何かあったらすぐに連絡するから。ワークショップでもな。
After that I washed my dishes. By the way guys, I can easily understand Japanese, a lot of these, which is really great. After that I prepared these mushroom fry along with some mushroom sandwich. My sister tried it and she kind of liked it.
गरम है गरम है। अच्छा,
Good. So liked it guys. मैंने दी से ही रेसिपी सीखी है ये वाली, तो अभी दी इज गोइंग टू हर कोचिंग. बाय बाय. It's like I can easily understand the basic Japanese and for some I still need to work on because definitely there are a lot of vocabulary that I need to work on in Japanese. After completing my meal, I decided to clean the room. So this is my sister's room where she stays and it's really well organized. Then I wanted to eat these delicious banana chips gifted by Devdi. She's from Kerala and it has authentic coconut oil. Just ordered some stuff. Got these taco wrap, chipotle and tandoori sauce as well. This is a new flavor of bauli and then this one. Also got this noodle after so long. So yeah, tortilla wrap is going to be our dinner for today. For dinner, my sister made these delicious veg tortilla wrap and it was really the best. I really liked it. It was my first time making it at home. Usually we used to have it like out and iska cost zyada padta tha. So now it's much cheaper and you can make it more. So it's a definitely worth it try. So the next day for lunch, I prepared these delicious ladyfinger fry जिसको हम बोलते हैं भिंडी का भुजिया. And after that I also made chapati, roti and yes, I am really happy that now I can make chapati, also rice. बेसिक सा दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी सब बनाने अब आ गई है 1 साल में। पहले जब मुझे दिल्ली आके नहीं आता था ना ये सब बनाने, तो डेफिनेटली आई यूज्ड टू फील रियली बैड कि वाई आई कांट कुक होम कुक्ड मील एंड आई यूज्ड टू मिस माई मॉम कुक्ड मील। बट नाउ सिंस आई कैन मेक इट, माई सिस्टर ऑल्सो इंस्ट्रक्टेड एंड गाइडेड मी एंड आई ऑल्सो ट्राई टू लर्न इट बाई माई ओन by watching recipe videos. I'm so glad that I can make it. So definitely guys, be self-dependent, never be dependent on people for anything, and definitely you can do more. If you don't know how to cook, you can learn it and you will do amazing. After that we went to laundry to give our clothes and usko wash up ke liye, and then we went to Wenger's. It's a really good place at CP. It was a sister day out. Then the next day I went to my college, attended my college lecture, and it was really a calm and beautiful day because उस दिन बारिश हो रही थी, काफ़ी अच्छा मौसम था। Guys, do comment below that what is your favorite season. My personal favorite is like winter, but yes, rainy season, summer is like a lot. मतलब दिल्ली का समर तो आप जानते होंगे कितनी गर्मी रहती है। Anyways guys, I went to library and did self study. एक टाइम ऐसा था when I did not want to be alone and I wanted someone's company, but now I find peace being alone. Like अब मुझे कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता है people will stay or not, because I have mastered this thing of art of being alone and it doesn't really bother me, so I'm really happy about it. You need to understand, once you're happy from inside, you will see the world in a different perception and then you can be really calm. I did my basic work and also cooked delicious homemade meal. It was the next day and I ordered grocery stuff. तो ग्रोसरी में ये कुछ सामान थे which I ordered. See, दिल्ली का एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, या कोई भी मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी में, that you can easily order the stuff and वो तुरंत ला के दे देंगे. But in my hometown it's completely opposite, क्योंकि वहाँ पर ये apps जैसे Instamart, Blinkit अवेलेबल नहीं है. तो yes guys, वो प्रॉब्लम तो है, but it's completely okay. There are some pros and cons of every place. Like in my hometown there is no rush like Delhi. But anyways, I am really happy about both the places. हर जगह से आपको कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. Always try to learn more. When you will observe the world more, you will learn more. And here I made another meal, that was parathe and bhujia. And yes, then we went to Nirman Vihar, क्योंकि ये हमारा go to place है. ये काफ़ी बगल में है अक्षरधाम के, so you can easily go there and have the first thing, laughing. ये हमारी favorite thing है and इसको हम सबसे पहले खाते हैं. Then we go to V3S Mall. I'm also cooking food and मैं वो ले जाती हूँ like either to my Japanese class or college, and then I am here attending my Japanese lecture, मतलब classes है. and यहाँ पर ना language का एक चीज़ रहता है that anyone can learn at any age, तो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है ये language की बात. In the evening we went out to select my birthday dress and I finally selected one which you have seen in my birthday vlog. So we went to Nirman Vihar. There we had delicious food at the food court. After that I did like my basic सा हेयर स्पा, क्योंकि गाइज मेरा बर्थडे था. ऑल्सो हैड अ क्विक हेयर कट. तो ये हेयर स्टाइल पिंटरेस्ट का एक आइडिया पे बेस्ड था एंड मी एंड माई सिस्टर इज हेयर.
थैंक यू गर्ल्स.
रोशनी दी गिफ्टेड मी दिस अमेजिंग रियली ब्यूटीफुल राधा कृष्ण जी का प्यारा सा स्टैचू टाइप का. थैंक यू सो मच रोशनी दी. And Roshni Di is originally from Karnataka, so she bought this amazing beautiful keychain of Radha Krishna ji which I carry with me. We went out to MKT to celebrate Roshni Di's birthday. September was like the birthday month of our homies. Like माई बर्थडे, रोशनी दीज बर्थडे, देव दीज बर्थडे एंड सो मच मोर। तो काफ़ी कुछ लर्न करने को मिला। पॉजिटिविटी ही देखी है, मतलब अगर कोई बुरी नेगेटिव सिचुएशन भी होती है तो उसमें भी पॉजिटिविटी ढूंढ लिया हमने। काफ़ी अच्छा था ये टाइम। एंड एज यू गाइज नो, बिकॉज ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड मेडिटेशन आई बिकेम मोर हैप्पी। लाइक परसेप्शन आपका बहुत चेंज होता है वर्ल्ड को देखने का, क्योंकि द वे you feel about yourself, you see the world in the same way. Anyways guys, we went to Kalsang and there we had kimbap, dim sum and also paneer chilli. It was definitely the best. काफी अच्छा खाना था वहाँ का. After that we also had these delicious momos.
ना हम तुम चले टेढ़े मेढ़े से रास्तों पे नंगे पाँव रे, चल भटक लेना बावरे।
Then we went to Koja and वहाँ पर काफ़ी अच्छी क्यूट सी कोरियन स्टेशनरीज मिलती है एंड काफ़ी कुछ रहता है।
밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누워있길 바래 조금만 이제는 어디까지 보다 샀지 여기서부터 다시 보면 되겠지 틀어놓을 테니까 이 영화를 넌 보며 먹을 맥주 한 캔과 과자를 사 우린 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추네 또 다시 입을 안으로 들어가 따뜻한 장판에 몸을 녹여 따뜻하 Oh baby I love you Baby I need you 이렇게 아무것도